In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple projects in Monday.com. When you're working on several projects at the same time, things can quickly become messy if everything is mixed together in one place. That's where workspaces in Monday.com become really useful. A workspace is like a dedicated area or folder that helps you separate and organize projects by client, team, department, or any category that makes sense for you. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a new workspace and explain how that helps you manage multiple projects more clearly and efficiently. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel that lists your current workspaces. This is where you can switch between different areas of your account, and it's also where you'll create new ones. To begin, look for an existing workspace in that left panel. Move your mouse over the workspace name and you'll notice three small dots appear next to it. These three dots are the options menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This menu is where you can manage settings related to that workspace, but it's also where you can create a new one. After clicking the three dots, you'll see an option that says Add New Workspace. Click on that. Monday.com will now prompt you to set up your new workspace. Here, you can give your workspace a clear descriptive name. For example, you might name it after a specific client, a product, or a department in your company. This name will appear in your left-hand panel, so choose something that helps you instantly recognize what's inside. You may also have the option to adjust privacy or access settings, depending on your plan. This is helpful if you want only certain team members to see or edit the projects in that workspace. Take a moment to think about who needs access before you continue. Once you're happy with the name and any available settings, confirm to create the workspace. Your new workspace will now appear in the left panel, ready for you to start adding boards, tasks, and timelines specific to that project. By repeating this simple process, you can create separate workspaces for each major project you manage.